Hi, and welcome at Smiley Art. For this week's video, I'm going to do another character challenge using the Arty Games app by Jazza. Let's get started. So this is the Arty Games app created by YouTube superstar Jazza. He's an Australian artist on YouTube. He has great content, so if you don't know his channel yet, please go check it out. For those of you who follow this channel for a while now, know that this is not the first time that I use this app. Several videos ago I already did a character challenge using the Arty Games app. I will link to that video in the comment section so you can watch it there again or for the first time if you're new here. So let's see here. We click on play and then we're in a new menu where we can choose several challenges like a scribble challenge or some other drawing challenges and also a character challenge. So when I press this button, we will get a description of a character that we have to design. Let's see what the app has installed for us. And this is the result, a swordswoman that has lots of tattoos who's wearing medieval clothing. Oh, I'm liking this one already. I'm thinking about fantasy style drawing for this one because I have to incorporate lots of different elements like armor, tattoos and a sword. A fantasy theme would fit quite well. I'm having a lot of fun already thinking about it and I haven't even drawn it yet, so let's get drawing! there you have it, my take on a swordswoman that has lots of tattoos who's wearing medieval clothing. At least this is my take on this challenge, and maybe you also took this challenge and were drawing alongside with me. So if you did, please share your art pieces with me through the comment section or through social media. You can find me on Instagram or on Twitter. I would like to see your drawings. I'm very happy with the result of this one. It was a lot of fun to make also. This will not be the last time that we will be using the Arty Games app on this channel. I'm having a lot of fun with it, and it really lets those creative juices flow when you don't know what to draw. I hope you like this one. What kind of illustration or drawing challenge would you like me to do in future videos? Please let me know in the comment section. If you like the content of this video, maybe it's a good idea to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any content I put up in the future. It would mean a lot. High resolution versions of all my drawings can be found on deviantart.com/smully. And if you like to stay in touch through social media, you can follow me there as well. You can find all links down below in the comment section. That's it for now. We'll see each other again next Friday for a new Smully Art video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.